This bridge is so tall that when engineers wanted to test it, they didn't drop a sandbag. They turned it into a 600-meter waterfall. This is the Huajiang Grand Canyon Bridge in Guizhou, China. In September 2025, it was certified by Guinness World Records as the tallest bridge on Earth, 625 meters from the deck to the river below. That's almost 9 times the height of San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge. The previous record holder, also in Guizhou, stood 565 meters tall. This one beat it by 60 meters. And Guizhou isn't done. This one province has built over 30,000 bridges, including 3 of the world's tallest. Nearly half of the world's 100 tallest bridges are in Guizhou alone. The bridge itself is an engineering puzzle. A steel truss suspension design spanning 2,890 meters total, with a main span of 1,420 meters, the longest span steel truss suspension bridge built in mountainous terrain anywhere in the world. Before it existed, crossing this canyon took 2 hours by road. Now, it takes 2 minutes. So why turn it into a waterfall? Picture something on the scale of Niagara Falls, except someone can switch it on and off with a button. That 600-meter water curtain isn't just a stunt. It runs on water the construction crews found while drilling the tunnels. Natural karst groundwater that used to just drain away. Engineers built a 4,000 cubic meter reservoir to capture it, and now it powers what's been nicknamed the Canyon IMAX, a light and water show with jets adjustable up to nearly 100 meters. The bridge has become a destination in its own right. You can bungee jump off it from 625 meters up. Local tourism boards are calling it bridge tourism integration, turning a piece of transport infrastructure into one of the region's biggest attractions. This is a pattern we keep seeing. China doesn't just solve an engineering problem and walk away. It builds the tallest bridge in the world in one of its least developed provinces, and then turns it into a tourist economy on top of a transport project. If you want more of these real engineering, real numbers, no hype, subscribe. And let me know, would you bungee jump off a 625-meter bridge? Or just watch the waterfall from the bottom? See you in the next one.